In this Doodleoze review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create engaging professional doodle videos in just 3 easy steps. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Doodleoze, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses listed here on this page. I'll be adding in even more. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says groundbreaking app, which makes blackboard, whiteboard, green board, and even glassboard doodle videos in minutes. Easily create engaging professional doodle videos in just 3 steps. So really, that's what it does. It works on Windows and Mac. It allows you to create these doodle videos, the ones you've seen probably with like the little hands. You can do the ones that have like the whiteboard behind it, the ones that like look like they're actually writing, like there's a glass right here and they're writing it on it like that, using this software here. You can create unlimited doodle videos. There are no restrictions. There's no restrictions on charging, creating them and charging clients for them. So that license, that commercial license, is included as well with your purchase. You can sell these on places like Upwork and Fiverr. I'll have a demo in just a sec that you guys can see and actually see this in action, of course. There's some real example videos right on the sales page that you guys can check out here, showing you real examples of these videos in action. You can use these for YouTube videos, teaching and training, Facebook ads, sales videos, educational videos, pretty much whatever you want to use these on. There's no limitation on how you can use these videos. They have wide format support, device and transport options, sleek interface, they say here. Now, there are 2 options. There's a commercial option and a personal. The commercial one is going to have you can sell it to clients and you can keep 100% of the profits. Looks like there's going to be about a $10 price difference on that. Most people just end up getting the commercial license as it's just a little bit more and you get that extra feature there. But if you want, you can get the personal one. It's up to you. So I'm going to play a video here explaining this a little bit more and showing you a demo. Then I'll be back to show you the back-end area and the OTOs.
Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such an amazing doodle video is to create. So let's jump right in. Here we are inside the Doodleoze platform, which is a desktop software available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easily laid out Doodleoze is. Okay, let me show you how quick and easy you can make a great doodle animation video. First, if we take a look here, we can add multiple objects onto the canvas, like background music or voiceover, videos, images, and text. We'll start by adding a video to the background, like this. Any video added to the scene has a sketch by hand animation effect attached by default. So in this window here, we have some options for this sketch effect, but we'll leave it as default and continue. Next, we need to scale the video full screen size, like this. Okay, good. Now, if we take a look here, we can see the sketch animation added to the video. And we can adjust the animation playtime, replace it, remove it, or add a new animation. Okay, let's jump further. Next, we'll click this button to open our sketch image gallery. Then, we'll select an image. Once it's loaded, we're able to drag the image around and edit it as we want. Now, let's go back to the timeline here and move the newly added image so it starts playing after the video sketch animation is finished. Now, let's make it a bit more interesting by adding extra animation. Like this. Click here, then zoom and drag like this. Then add a new point and reposition it here, like this. And if you want, you can continue adding as many points as you like and move it around the screen, like this. Okay, I'm going to undo that for now. 2 points are enough for this demo. So next we'll add a new sketch image, reposition it on the canvas, add a fly-in by hand animation to it, and move it on the timeline. Next we'll add another image, and repeat the steps above. Okay, let's add a quick text here. Good. Now we can drag it around and easily edit the text here on the right side. We can edit everything, from font, text size, color, and more. And on the timeline, we can easily add an animation. We'll use a sketch by hand, like this. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed for. And finally, to make it even better, let's add some great background music, like this. All right, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila, you can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Doodleoze, you'll be able to create amazing doodle videos in minutes, just like the ones we've made in this demo. As you just saw, Doodleoze has eliminated the guesswork, the cost, and is taking the creation of doodle video to the next level.
Okay, so here's the OTOs here. So the first OTO you're going to see is the agency license here. So with the agency license, you're going to be able to have some extra things here. You have access to 1.5 million royalty-free stock videos, video selling plan details. Shows you how to find a client, create the video, collect the money. You get your agency license certification here with this as well, all included in this. This is mainly for people who really want to go out there and actually sell this to clients. The next one is the club here. With the club, you're going to get access to 20,000 doodle images and 4,000 background videos. You get a bunch of extra stuff here included in this one right here. Let me see if I can find the price of this one. This one's either $27 a month, $97 a year, or $197 one time. Did I show you the price? Yeah, I showed you the price on this one. Okay. Next one here, you can reinforce any video by touching the deepest emotions with 500 doodle sketch characters. And this one is $47 for this one. The next one here is going to allow you to actually create done for you templates, video sales letter scripts, upsell scripts. If you want to be able to create sales copy and use these to really create nice sales videos with. So this one right here is going to be, looks like $39.95 during this launch discount. And the last one here is a way of converting any text into speech for your video. So especially if you don't want to talk on your videos, you can use this one. And this one's going to be a one-time of $37. All these OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Doodleoze and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, doodle videos aren't like some magic weapon that's going to make you be able to magically make money in your business. Like, it's not. These are specifically a tool that can help you if you want to create videos, especially if you don't want to be on camera. That's who this is for. What do I like about this? This is a great tool if you're looking, again, to make these doodle videos. If you have a use for them, if you want to use them for your own business, or you want to sell them to clients, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Doodleoze, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.